The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra model could make you even more happier than before. When it comes to the Samsung Galaxy S23 series of phones launching soon, it seems that the Ultra model will once again have the biggest upgrades attached to it. And those upgrades apparently include night vision capabilities in terms of its cameras. This comes via well-respected leaker Ice Universe, who took to Twitter to emphasize again that the S23 Ultra's night camera is really night vision. That sounds like seriously good low-light photography capabilities to us. What we don't get here are any indications of what exactly the camera modules on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will include, but previous leaks have pointed to a quad-lens 108 plus 12 plus 12 plus 2 megapixels rear camera on this particular smartphone. But today we have complete specifications about the upcoming Ultra model. Thanks to well-known leaker The Galax, we finally got our missing piece in camera department. As in his tweet, he clearly mentioned about the camera details, which was slightly blurred earlier. We finally have 200 megapixels, one first, 3 main 12 megapixels ultra-wide, 10 megapixels 3x and 10 megapixels 10x telephoto cameras. All remaining specs were same as per previous leaks too. In the past, we've also heard Ice Universe talk about greatly improved low-light capture capabilities for both photos and videos. This is clearly an upgrade that's going to be noticeable and should make the Ultra one of the best phones around for camera quality. Photos and videos taken in daylight aren't left out either because there are rumored to be improvements here too. There's no doubt that the Samsung Galaxy S23 phones are going to bring with them a host of improvements over their predecessors, including performance upgrades. Otherwise, Samsung might as well just keep the Galaxy S22 range of handsets on sale. However, the low-light photography capabilities of the Galaxy S23 phones are well worth paying attention to. Being able to snap photos and videos in difficult lighting conditions is one of the main ways that high-end flagship phones differ from budget devices that are going to cost you far less. While the best cheap phones usually offer a lot of value for money, decent performance, and very respectable camera setups, you'll often find that it's taking photos and videos in the dark where they start to struggle. If you need the very best nighttime shots, then you probably need a flagship smartphone. It's an area that handsets such as the Google Pixel series excel in, including the aforementioned Google Pixel 7 Pro. If the night vision capabilities of the Galaxy S23 Ultra are as good as that, we're going to be impressed. So what do you guys think about these major upgrade over last gen S22 lineup? But the question is, do we really need it? If the prices goes all the way higher than last gen models, still we could buy the Pixel lineup in a better deal and could save a little money too. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.